everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we are at the Candy Cane Inn and we're going to show you our premium room here, which is the largest room type at the Candy Cane Inn. Because it is a premium room, you do get a little bit of extras in this room. One being this awesome welcome package. It has cookies, microwave popcorn, a couple of breakfast bars, and of course some candy canes. And also included in that is the breakfast order form. And what happens when you're in a premium room is you fill out this form, you hang it on your door before 2 a.m. and then the next morning they'll deliver everything that you mark on the form for breakfast. So if you're not feeling like getting up and getting dressed and running down to the included breakfast here, they'll deliver it to you. In the clock here there are 2 USBs, and I really like that there's a pull-out tray here in between the beds, so you can move this if you want to eat, or even maybe move it to the side of the bed for a nightstand on the other side. Because this room is bigger, there is an additional table in here, and I would probably scoot this a little closer to the bed and use it as a nightstand. There is, however, no outlet in this area, so if you need to charge your phone, you wouldn't be able to do so. Right away, I could tell this room is a lot more spacious than the standard room. There's a lot more floor space available in this room, and what I'm talking about is if you have strollers, if you need a pack and play or a crib, there's plenty of space in this room to have those items and still be able to walk around comfortably. I do like that they have really thought about luggage storage here, so this area can be for luggage, and then there's 2 luggage racks in the closet behind me as well. Most hotels only have 1 luggage rack, and for us we brought 4 carry-ons, so it's really nice to have somewhere else to have your luggage. And if you're coming to a convention here, they do have a desk space, and behind it are 2 regular outlets with 2 USBs built into that as well, and then of course your ice bucket. I do love that they've added additional seating in here. There's this nice comfortable chair and the desk chair. I do wish there was maybe 1 more chair. I'm glad that they thought about it and did add some additional seating. They've added this wardrobe, and it has the ironing board, all the hangers, extra bedding, a safe that's big enough for a large laptop, 2 luggage racks, 2 robes, which is a nice touch as well. They've added a full-length mirror here as well, so you can open that, check your outfit, get ready. If you need extra mirrors, if you have a bunch of women getting ready, it's nice to always have an extra mirror besides the bathroom mirror. I really like what they've done with the bathroom area here. They have the refrigerator, microwave, coffee pot all kind of tucked away in an easily accessible spot, and then there's all this extra room on this side where you could put maybe some extra suitcases, even a pack and play or a crib might fit in this area. Plus there's 3 hanging hooks for towels, clothing, purses, whatever you need. Plus all of the extra counter space is always fantastic. For us, a family of 4, we have 4 toiletry bags, so anytime we can all put our stuff on the counter and not have to place it somewhere else every time is fantastic. I do love they have a light up mirror, and they have an additional mirror. Like I said earlier, if you have a bunch of people trying to get ready all at the same time, it's really nice to have multiple mirrors. The lighting in this whole entire room, and especially in the bathroom, is very bright, especially in the shower when you're trying to shave your legs. It's nice to have fantastic lighting. They did think about towel storage and clothing storage. They have a lot of hooks throughout this bathroom as well. And the shower head, I'm 5'9", I can easily reach it, so I think most people could adjust this easily. It's not super tall. Another great feature is the fan and the light has a night light feature, and that's what we do a lot of times in a hotel room is we just leave the bathroom light on, so in case you wake up in the middle of the night, there's a little bit of light in the room and it's not pitch black. One of the great things about the Candy Cane Inn is they offer an included breakfast that now they have added waffles to the mix, and they also have complimentary parking and a complimentary dedicated shuttle, which they call their trolley. And I was told at check-in it starts at 7:30 a.m. is the first trolley, and then again at 8, and then after that it's every hour. If you're interested in staying at the Candy Cane Inn and want to see the standard room video, please click the link here. Thank you so much for watching.